Hello and welcome to this video. Now in this video tutorial we're going to be looking at how you can stylize your pet images using the Pet Stylizer function. Now in order to find this function, let's go to the start. So first, when you're in the dashboard, you need to select create design. Okay, so create design will be in the center. So once you select create design like so, you must choose your designer, which is the Fast AI image designer. Once you select the Fast AI image designer, you will see a number of different functionalities here. Okay, so for this we're going to select the AI design assistance. Okay, go ahead and select the AI design assistance and you will see step 1 has now appeared. Now we are requested to select a category. Under this category we need to go and select the Pet Stylizer. Once you select the Pet Stylizer, you'll see step 2 has now appeared. Now we have a request: upload an image of your pet to stylize it. So in order for this, in order for you to achieve the style that you're looking for, just go ahead and look at the one that you like. Let's just say vector, let's go for Lego, something completely different. Once I select this image here, okay, under step 1, you can see now the additional step has now allowed me to get my pet image uploaded. So I've got a couple of options in order to get that image uploaded, whether I can drag and drop it, completely up to, or you can browse your device that you're using simply by selecting browse, and then it will obviously allow you to enter from a folder from your computer or other device, etc, etc. Now for this, let's go to choose from library, because I've got some images already, and we've got a couple of images here. I've got a nice cat. And once I go to the cat, right, I'm happy with the Lego. I can change it anytime obviously, and I'm going to go and select stylize. Okay, and that's it. That's all we had to do. Okay, and what I'll do, let me run this one more time and kind of show you again. Okay, so Snoopy style, let's go for another one. Let's go for this iguana, stylize. Okay, now what you can do, it's completely up to you if you want to do this. So we've seen the design assistant. So with the Pet Stylizer, these are essentially presets, aren't they? Ghibli, pop art, origami, pixel, vector style, Lego, clay, Pixar, American cartoon, etc, etc. Okay, now what you could do if you wanted to is test out the human stylizer. The human stylizer, even though it says human stylizer, find an image. Like here we have a cat, so I could say, convert this into a sketch. Okay, but then again, you can use the image designer here. So this one is going to be nice and clean. Okay, and you'll see that's the one I've done iguana earlier on, and then we'll give a few moments for that to process. Okay, and check this out. Okay, so you can see that has now been created into a sketch. Really awesome. Okay, what we'll do, let's just do one more. Okay, so design assistance, Pet Stylizer, let's go for pop art. Okay, let's do something a little bit different. Let's go for the dog this time, stylized. And let's just do one more really quick. Origami, let's test this out. Stylize. Okay, so really simple steps that you can follow, but remember with these, you could come to this human one, and let's do another version here. Let's see, convert into a watercolor image. Okay, and stylize. Okay, and there we go. We've got really beautiful images here. We can see this was pop art. Okay, that was the dog there, and where here we have the origami style, and then we had the human stylized version of watercolor image. So so remember, they're kind of interchangeable. These ones are obviously presets, and then you do have this human stylizer where you could test it and create your own versions of it. Okay, so hopefully you've enjoyed this video. and go ahead now and create your pet styled images using Artistly AI.